chicken pineapple today. Savory chicken pineapple. Yes, pineapple. Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir. So what I'm going to do is I have a pan with oil heating up, and this is our chicken strips, and I slice them this about finger size, you know. And so what I'm gonna do, so I just put them pepper, black chili powder, a little bit of cayenne pepper, and just a little bit of salt. And of course I used, instead of regular flour, you know what I use for them is our cassava flour. Yeah, because actually guys, I've tried this cassava flour. It tastes pretty good and it gives so much crunch on your meat. So that's what I was using. So I got the cassava flour and a mixture of seasoning. All right, what I'm going to do is just slightly fry our chicken first, and then make our sauce, and we'll just marry them together, marry with a beautiful flavor. Okay, so I'm gonna have is just put the chicken right there, and we will just brown them for like a minute. Nice, beautiful. It sounds so beautiful. Oh yeah, can you hear that sizzling, guys? And of course, I'm gonna give you a tip also, guys. If you are frying a chicken breast, I will recommend a high heat, because chicken breast dries pretty quick. So usually when you fry a chicken breast, about a minute is the most, especially this size. This is really quick. This is really quick. So it won't dry out your meat. High heat. And as you know, chicken is easy to cook. So that's all you have to do is just a minute, and then flip it over, and we will fry the rest of this beautiful chicken. So this is our chicken that we just pre-fry earlier, just to have a little crunch, and of course to have a little color, which is the brown. Is actually, this is really, you can eat it without the sauce because it's so good. But of course we want to marry them with our beautiful sauce, so we're going to make our pineapple sauce. So we are going to use the pan that we used to fry our chicken. We will start with our ginger. Ooh. Yum. Our onion. Nice. So I just took the oil out of the pan, and I just left a little bit, because the chicken is already have a lot of flavors with oil, of course. And after the onion and ginger, we're going to put some garlic. I want a lot of garlic right there. Beautiful. So good. Oh, the aroma of ginger, garlic, and onion. Ooh, beautiful. I'm so excited with this. Alright. And we are going to our onion, garlic, and ginger, we're going to add now our pineapple. Okay, and I'm gonna add the sauce also, or the juice. Perfect. Yum. Okay, before simmering it, I'm gonna add some chili powder. So good. Pepper, black pepper. Parsley. A lot of parsley. Yum. And just for a little bit of heat, a red pepper. Not too much. And then mix it up. Smells so good. And of course, I'm gonna add my vegetable base for the flavor. Just a little bit. Okay, 1 teaspoon. And just a little bit more, okay? Should be it. We just have to have that vegetable flavor out there. Okay, mix it up. A little bit of soy sauce. Okay, that's perfect. And then we will add about a tablespoon of sugar, just to balance out the sourness of our pineapple, the natural sweetness of it, and you know, from the soy sauce. Oh, it smells so good, guys. Okay, and all we have to do is just simmer them, just to have the flavor and the texture of our pineapple, not too overcooked but still have the crunch. And we will just marry them together. Marry them together like a happy ever after. Happily ever after. But anyway, guys, so I'm just gonna simmer them for a couple of minutes. And I'm gonna come back, okay? Alright, so this is our pineapple sauce. And if you can see that the color turns into light brown because of the vegetables base that we put in, and a little bit of soy sauce, and of course we're gonna add a cassava flour to thicken up the sauce, and we will just marry them together because I don't want to put my chicken because I want them to have a little bit of crunch, you know what I'm saying, that you can bite instead of being saggy. So I want to just separate them and marry them once which is, this sauce is already pretty much the taste and everything, the texture. The pineapple is now cooked but not overcooked, and then we'll just add our thickening, okay? And it's gonna be quick, guys. Look at that. Don't wink because it's gonna be quick. Look the consistency of our sauce. So that's what we're looking for. Okay. Oh, that is beautiful. Just a little bit more. So you have to put them a little at a time, so you doesn't want them to be pasty. So that's all. That's what I'm looking for right there. You see? Because if you use your spoon like this, see that? You can see the pan, the bottom of the pan right there, but it's not runny and it's not too pasty. That's what we're looking for, the consistency of our sauce. Then we'll just turn it off, turn up the heat, and then we will just marry them, and this is ready for plating. So there you go, guys. So I have my chicken ready right here to marry our beautiful sauce. Oh, I'm so excited. This smells so good. Okay, so all we have to do is just pick it up. You have to be careful because this is hot. So this is what I want to just marry them, and you can still taste the crunchiness of our chicken. Look at that, guys. Oh yeah. Yes, ma'am. Look at that. Oh my gosh. So excited. Wow. Oh. Now you tell me. Okay, then what we'll do is we just sprinkle them with parsley. Or top with parsley for the garnish. Okay, so this is ready for plating, and the final judgment. Okay, so this is our finished product of chicken pineapple. Chicken pineapple. Yes, ma'am. Look at that. Look at that, guys. Oh, I can smell the flavor, and it's still smoking hot. Yes, ma'am. Smoking hot like me. So, but anyway, guys, look at that. So I garnished them with parsley, a lot of parsley. And if you can see that, guys, this is what I want when I make a chicken pineapple. I like browning my chicken and just marry the sauce, and this is delicious. I'm so excited, guys. And thank you guys for watching my video. I hope you like it, and please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Yes, ma'am. Like, share, and subscribe. And please don't forget to click the notification bell so you will be updated in every video that I'm going to upload. And so we will be happy together. And of course, I always have a video coming out every Friday, and I'm gonna see you on Friday, guys. Thank you, and see you later. And thank you so much, guys. Like, share, and subscribe.